So now I would like to talk about introduction for our PC assembling and documentation assignment. I'm going to talk about the introduction. In this introduction, I would like to talk about our group choosing a personal computer that for this assembling and PC documentation. So a personal computer is a microcomputer that designed for use by one person at a time. And also, this personal computer is capable rapidly obtaining, manipulating, and also calling out information for user in change of format if required. For its purpose, computer has a central processing unit that keep memory and also have input and output ports. So now I would like to talk about the brand suggestion. So I would like to suggest Dell brand because it is one of top computers brands nowadays. And also the company's broad selection of high quality machines. No matter your goals, it most likely has a product just for you. Plus, if you buy your PC directly from Dell brand, you can customize it exactly how you like it. In general, Dell machines can be a bit pricier than others you can find, but you can feel good about getting a solid, dependable computer that's just right for your needs. So now I would like to talk about the price ranging for this Dell brand computer. It is ranging around 2,000 ringgit to 9,000 ringgit per unit. It is depends on what type computer. When it comes to a specification of a PC, it is very important to know the use of it to us. For example, this Dell Inspiron small desktop is powered with 13th Gen Intel Core with an i5 processor, Windows 11 that's up to date, and also it got Intel UHD graphic 730 512GB SSD.
Of technology. What a major component of PC, computer system are made up of three parts that are central processing unit, input and output devices. Input devices offer data input to the processor which process the data and create relevant information for the user to view via output devices. First is CPU. CPU is central processing unit. It's refer to the brain of the computer. See, it regulates the operation of all computer components. It is made up of two parts: the arithmetic logic unit (ALU) and the control unit. Control unit is component of the CPU, collects instruction, executes them, and maintains and direct the overall system activity. It has functions such as managing all computer activity, sending data to the arithmetic logic unit, and more.
I will now be talking about my part, which is the software side of the PC. First and foremost, I will be talking about Windows 11, which is the operating system that we all know and use and is present in all latest laptops and PCs to date. It has a minimalistic and modern UI design, which is based on Windows 8's conception. It also has a desktop, which users can put shortcuts of apps that they want to access easily, a taskbar, which also serves the same purpose, and which also hosts a start menu, which is always the shape of the Windows logo. And the use of the start menu is so that users can search for apps. Next, I will be talking about Microsoft Office, more commonly known as Microsoft 365 as of recently. It is a brand by Microsoft that provides a whole collection of productivity apps. And the app Microsoft 365 acts as a main hub for users to access some of the Microsoft apps more efficiently, and you can open recently open files on top of it as well. The most popular and well-known apps, of course, is Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. I will now be moving on to gadgets. There are two types of gadgets that I would like to discuss. First and foremost, I will be talking about the input gadgets. And one of them is the keyboard and mouse, which is how the user uses to interact with the PC. Next is the microphone, which is used for people who want to talk to each other through the virtual space. And lastly, the web camera, which is placed on the user's monitor. And of course, as the name suggests, it is used to record or capture images. Now I'll be talking about output gadgets. And the first gadget that I'll be talking about is the printer. The next output gadget is the speaker, which takes audio from the PC to the physical world as well. And normally people use it as a way to listen to audio by themselves, or listening or watching a movie with family in the same room. Users can also opt for headphones.
Next, I will explain the comparison with the previous technology. Bluetooth and wireless may appear identical, but they perform differently with different wireless devices. Finding the right mouse may be difficult if you don't know what to look for. Using a wireless mouse really simplifies your life. The mouse may be placed wherever you choose without having to move the wire. RF and Bluetooth are now the available alternative for the wireless mouse. RF USB dongle located inside mouse batteries back cover offers USB compatibility benefits and durability. Bluetooth mouse are wireless devices with transmitter that automatically connect to devices with connection settings set in Bluetooth settings. Both have advantages and disadvantages.
Now, let's jump into the advantages and limitations of the technologies. As for its advantages, multitasking, effective data processing, international communication, and teamwork are all made possible by computers. They can do millions or trillions of operations per second, increasing output and saving time. They also promote worldwide collaboration and communication and have favorable impact on the economy and the environment as a result of more effective computing systems. Moving to its limitations, the prevention of viruses and hacking attacks, which can infect computers through email attachments, internet advertising, and portable media, requires proper computer maintenance. Online cybercrime such as fraud and stalking is also conceivable because computers are widely used in both personal and professional settings. Owning and maintaining one can be very pricey, taking into consideration construction, operation, and maintenance costs. These costs include renting physical space, buying new equipment, updating software, utilizing electricity, and paying technical employees.
In conclusion, PC assembling and documentation are essential for creating a stable, high-performing system. They involve carefully selecting and installing hardware components, confirming compatibility, and following proper installation process. Technical knowledge, attention to detail, and patience are crucial. That is all from us. Thank you.